Hello, all. This is Spirit Journey. Today is April 24, 2020, Friday. Wonderful Friday. Yes, it's drizzling out here in New York City. It was like this all day today. I stayed in and had to go out to get just a few things around the corner. Yeah, my throat started to feel a little funny today. I I'm not sure what caused it. Not 100% what caused it, but I was drinking something that had a little oil some oil put in it, and I was drinking the tea with the straw, and the on the bottom was just a little bit of the oil in it, this coconut oil, and it irritated my throat, and I started coughing a little bit. That's when I first started noticing, my throat feeling a little irritated from the oil. But then it just started like bugging me. So I said, with this coronavirus, I am not going to risk anything. So yes, I've been buying little supplies, things like that. Like I bought my salt inhaler. I have my essential oils. That's good for antiviral, antibacterial stuff like garlic oil, um, oregano oil, just a whole assortment of stuff. So let's see. So I took my oregano drops early this morning before my throat, before I had that oil. But I had the two drops under the tongue of my oregano oil, this wild oregano, and like a couple hours later, my throat was irritating. So, so I took uh, two more drops of the oregano, and I have this blend of various essential oils blended with coconut oil in it, and I anointed my feet with it, underneath my feet, just like two drops in each foot, rubbed it in, and I also did my throat too, my glands on my throat, and I covered my throat. And when I went out today, I bought a steamer and some Ricola cough suppressant drops. What else? Oh yes, my popcorn and this Roche's. Yeah, the almond one. Oh yes. So yeah, I brought them home and I set up my um, hot vaporizer, and I put my essential oils in it. I put my, let's see, cedar, peppermint, camphor, what else? Eucalyptus and lemon essential oils in the steamer. So that's going on behind me. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, let me tell you what else I'm doing. Oh, I'm drinking my tea, my rosehip tea with I put in some vitamin C powder in it. And what else? Yeah, so the rose hips, and I put a little bit of oolong tea also in it. Oh, and in this tea that I'm drinking right on the side here, um, what else? I put this other stuff in it too. What do you call it? Oh, it'll come to me. But yeah, I blended the oolong, I mean the rose hips with this other tea that the other tea like detox. So that's what I'm doing today. I want to stay hydrated and everything. But yeah, why I'm doing this video. Yeah, on the 21st, April 21, 2020, that was on this past Tuesday. Um, yes, I was dozing off to sleep, and I wasn't completely asleep. I was just getting there, and then all of a sudden I hear like a loud noise, like a roaring sound, and my bed shaking violently. So I sat up, and everything seemed calm. There was none of my belongings were astray. My pets that sleep with me, they were fine. They were just, sitting with me. So there was I thought to myself, maybe it was just me. And I did call, like, when I woke up, and so everything was okay. I called the super, I'm sorry, not the super, the concierge, the front desk. And I said, "Say, my bed was shaking. Did anyone report any shaking in the building?" And he didn't know what I was talking about. So I said, "Okay." Then I called a someone who lives in my neighborhood, and she wasn't in town that day. I had texted her, and she just said, "Oh, well, I'm not there right now, but I haven't heard anything." So I did contact someone who I know who knows about the paranormal, things of that genre. And she said that years ago she had that experience, and she said that things like this could happen if it's like a breakthrough, some type of transition, something to that effect. And I did go on YouTube to see, what information I can find on it. And the general consensus that sometimes that could happen, um, if something of a spiritual nature. Um, and others just they didn't know what to make out of it. So because turn that off. So because sorry, I have my monitor on. Yeah. So because there was nothing disturbed in my apartment, so I'm thinking that was just probably me. And the fact that I heard something audio, like a loud noise. It reminded me of, like, almost like an explosion, something like a roar, very, very loud. So the physical movement and the loud sound is what got me up. So I'm just want to put out there, have any of you ever experienced something like that? Like you're dozing off to sleep, and then you feel as if the whole bed is moving. I don't mean like the exorcist, for your old school people like myself, the bed up in the air and jumping up. No, like a shake. Because I had been in an earthquake before, and the whole house was swaying, and I had birds back then, and my bird was screaming, really making a lot of noise because it scared them, the shaking. So yeah, let me know what, if it happened to you before, how long did it happen for, and what conclusions did you get out of the experience? Again, this is the first time something like this happened, and yeah, this whole coronavirus thing has made me extremely anxious at times. I shouldn't say at times, often, and so I'm just trying to stay positive, and when the weather permits, to get some nice fresh air and everything. Yeah. So that's all that I want to share for today. And I'm really interested in knowing what you guys think it could have been, and if it has ever happened to you. Okay? So take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great Friday evening. Stay safe, sound, drink all your water. Yep, drink your water. Okay, guys. Thank you again. Bye bye.